air fryers can be big and beautiful. We're taking a look at this beautiful air fryer, and it's an upgrade in size compared to my one previously. This one is 6 quarts, and usually I can only do about 4 pieces with this liner that was previously for my other air fryer. So this completely new size, and I'll just have to get a new liner. You don't have to use one. I just want to lessen the cleanup, so I just use a liner. So it's just easier to clean up after each use. But it's very simple to use. I think from the way I use it, there is no preheat, or if there is preheat, it doesn't say. So if you're used to using preheat, you may just have to add a little bit more time. But usually, I like to treat it more like like a conventional oven. So I just set it to about 40 minutes and the heat to about 275, and usually they come out good. And here they are after being in the air fryer. And as you can see, not much to clean up, just a slight easy cleanup for later, but we're going to move on to the next batch. I think this is when I noticed that, oh yeah, I have a bigger air fryer. Maybe I can just add the vegetables and the chicken together and still have plenty of room. But for now, I like to set it to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for about 15 minutes in case I forget about it. But I usually check on it before the 15 minutes to see if it's just right. And there we are. And this has been the beautiful air fryer.